Hi, I'm Valdette Gray, a collection attorney at Van Velden Duffy Attorneys, and I explain collections to you so you can easily understand it. Another question that is often asked is how are creditors able to obtain judgment against you, or have you default listed if you know nothing about the matter or the debt? In those circumstances, what normally happens is they will send a letter of demand to you via either post or email or at your last known address, the address that you gave them to ensure that you will, or to specify that you will receive notices at that address. In those circumstances, they can then proceed to default list you after a period of time without you knowing about it. If they have obtained judgment against you and you know nothing about it, that is usually where you also gave an address. We call it a domicilium address, where you agree to receive notices. If you did not change that address and you moved away, they can still serve the summons at the address and then obtain judgment against you without you being aware of it. But once you become aware of it, you then have a recourse to actually go and rescind the judgment, indicating to the magistrate that you did not have any idea or any knowledge of the judgment against you, and then proceeding with the litigation matter further.